class. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about amphetamines. We're going to start with the history of amphetamines, the development and early uses. Ephedrine is a sympathomimetic drug used in treating asthma. It is used in herbal medicine to dilate the bronchial passages by stimulating sympathetic branches of the autonomic nervous system. Sympathomimetic is a drug that stimulates the sympathetic branch of the autonomic nervous system. Amphetamine is a synthetic CNS stimulant and sympathomimetic. This is similar to ephedrine, so its first use was to replace ephedrine in asthma patients. Students and truck drivers started to take this to stay up longer, and this led to testing for narcolepsy. Narcolepsy is a disease that causes people to fall asleep suddenly. Other benefits were appetite suppression and reduction of activity in hyperactive kids. Wartime uses. Germany was using amphetamines to increase the efficiency of its soldiers, and that led to the U.S. running trials on this as well. The speed scene of the 1960s. 1960s, amphetamines were widely available for low prices, so IV users were using them. Methamphetamine was the most desired on the streets. It was really easy to get a prescription at that time for amphetamines, just saying for depression or obesity. But in 1965, a law added it to a list of dangerous drugs, which changed medical practices surrounding easy prescriptions of this drug. The return of methamphetamine. It was named crank. Crank is the street name for illicitly manufactured methamphetamine. Meth is made at Stovetop laboratories, and these are rated each year. Consequences of using the drug include immediate addiction, cognitive impairments, extreme tooth decay, and physical unattractiveness. With the tooth decay, here's a myth buster of meth mouth. The only pharmacological effects of meth on your mouth is the restriction of the flow of saliva, which causes dry mouth, but the results show that users probably have less dental hygiene, which causes the tooth decay, not just the flow of saliva. And basic pharmacology. Chemical structures of methamphetamine. Methamphetamine is a methyl structure added to amphetamine. Methyl group seems to make the molecule cross the blood-brain barrier more readily and thus further increase the CNS potency. Mechanism of action. Amphetamines increase the activity of monoamine neurotransmitters, absorption and elimination, consumed through oral, intranasal, intravenous, and smoke. With high doses, a rapid tolerance may be seen, and a second dose may not have the desired effect if taken in a short period of time. Thanks!